Understanding the Clarinet Mouthpiece, a beginner's guide. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating topic that combines music with English vocabulary: the clarinet mouthpiece. This small but crucial part of the clarinet plays a big role in producing the instrument's beautiful sounds. Whether you're a music enthusiast or just curious about English musical terms, this video is for you. Let's dive in and learn together. Before we talk about the clarinet mouthpiece, let's understand what a clarinet is. The clarinet is a woodwind instrument with a distinctive, soothing sound. It's used in various music genres, from classical orchestras to jazz bands. A clarinet consists of several parts, including the mouthpiece, barrel, upper and lower joints, and the bell. Each part contributes to the clarinet's functionality and sound production. The clarinet mouthpiece is the part of the instrument that the player blows into to produce sound. It's a small piece attached to the top of the clarinet. The mouthpiece is where the reed, a thin piece of bamboo, is placed and secured with a ligature. When the player blows air into the mouthpiece, the reed vibrates, creating the sound waves that travel through the clarinet. Understanding the parts of the clarinet mouthpiece is essential for anyone learning about this instrument. The mouthpiece includes the tip, the top part where the reed vibrates; the facing, the curved surface where the reed lies; the chamber, the hollow part inside the mouthpiece where the sound is produced; the ligature. Although not a part of the mouthpiece itself, the ligature is crucial as it holds the reed in place on the mouthpiece. Each part affects the sound's quality, making the selection of a mouthpiece a very personal choice for clarinet players. Choosing the right clarinet mouthpiece is crucial for a clarinetist's comfort and sound quality. Factors to consider include material. Mouthpieces can be made from plastic, hard rubber, or crystal. Each material offers different sound qualities. Tip opening. The size of the gap between the reed and the tip affects the ease of playing and the sound's brightness. Facing length. This determines how much of the reed vibrates and affects the sound's responsiveness and tone. Beginners might start with a standard mouthpiece recommended by their teachers, but as players develop their skills and preferences, they may opt for different mouthpieces that better suit their playing style. The clarinet mouthpiece might seem like just a small part of the clarinet, but it holds a world of sound in its design. Understanding its role, parts, and how to choose the right one can enhance your appreciation of the clarinet and its music. We hope this video has been informative and interesting, whether you're a clarinet player or just curious about musical instruments. Thank you for watching, and keep exploring the beautiful world of music and English vocabulary.